Back to the channel. As you can tell, there's still some snow. I mean, it's, you can't see it out of the yard, but we still got it laying around, at least not that part of the yard. So the first thing we're going to do is, oh, this happened.
Huey, Silvers, what are we doing? What are we doing? Shelby's like, I want to go in there. I want to go in the shop. Harry, come on, boy. Harry, Harry, let her go. Oh. Holy moly. Oh, God.
There we go. Grew up in Alaska, can't walk in snow. What do you know? So we're gonna try to start the car. It started snowing Tuesday around 11 o'clock in the afternoon or in the morning, and it snowed into that night, and then Wednesday, Thursday. So it is now Saturday. We haven't looked at the car. We haven't tried to start the car. We haven't done anything. So we put antifreeze in it. This is a true cold start. We have not done anything with this car since the snow. And it was really cold after the snow. So I'm sure that did nothing, but it made me feel better. All right. I'm not going to edit any of this out so you guys don't think I skipped any steps. I mean, may not start battery, maybe. No. Start was successful, so we can reward ourselves with a tasty beverage. Oh, blow that out. Okay, we've done nothing to the car since the last video. We haven't mounted the deck lid yet. We haven't put the O2 sensor in. We haven't, or the AFR gauge. We haven't finished it. Blah, 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 blah. So I guess I'm gonna work on that a little bit. Got the wing mounted. That's not going anywhere. So, I mean, even I say that we ain't gonna go fast enough. I mean, it'll get a little air under it here and there, but we ain't going fast enough to really worry about it. So bottom line is it's mounted up, and that's all that matters. All right, we're getting ready to race. I'm not YouTubing this. Oh, this
somebody
is for
already
Teresa.
raced today.
Oh yeah, we what did we outrun? What was that thing? Infinity.
Acura Infinity
SUV. Yeah. The first time he got us a little, but then the second time we was ready, we took him out.
Yeah, we lured him into a second.
We lured him into a second race.
Double
Yeah.
or nothing. We got up on the converter and it was just, you know, not gonna let off the brake.
It's really crowded here too. I mean, there's a lot of people. I'm surprised. This little Mustang Sweet. It's got like a Jericho with a Vergate. He's got a stock Mustang shift knob on it, and it's 12.4 power. car too. Stick shift 55, Boogie Boogie. She's racing. That's Diva. I ain't a Chevy guy, but stick shift, no front bumper, real wheel well cut. 55, I'm a sucker for. Don't confuse these 55s with the old man cars that still have the wheel wells. This is a race car, not a cars and coffee car. It's a business car. Oh, the Festiva's got issues. Festiva's out of control. Festiva's out of control, 100%.
Wow.
Wow, you want a 1280 or something? Still awesome car. For somebody that knows I like Mountain Dew. Oh, there we go. Damn, that's good. Right on, brother. A Mountain Dew guy right there. Thanks, brother. All right. You guys will see this well before the video comes out. We can't not film Brett. Fastest pass of the day. Holy smoke, that thing's cooking. Kevin's in that gas station somewhere, and we drove around the back and hid from him. Now, if he only walks out and looks to his right, he's not going to see anything because he don't have a right eye that works. So if he looks to his left, there's no one there. Basically, we're just being good friends. This is what we do to people. This is what friends do to people. A Pirate's pretty much in ferret rage mode right now, so we gotta keep him kind of calmed down.
No, it's just, we're needing gas, and
Yeah.
said, hey, where's it at?
Yeah. And then he just
I just decided to
he made a
pull over
decision.
because no one else
Basically,
was
he
gonna
told
gas
us if everyone didn't shut the F up, he was just going to run it, slap out of gas, and then walk home and leave us in the woods.
I was a terrible friend because David had the same idea I did.
Well,
I just like let it slide. and
yeah,
be like,
you know,
yeah,
right.
there's another one.
Here's what Eric
I'll do
did.
next
Eric
time.
rented the van and told Pirate to drive.
I didn't tell him nothing.
He just said,
There he is.
Is that him right there?
you know what to do as soon as he grabs that door latch, pull, go. I mean, this is very childish.
As soon as I went in, you said, I'm going to do that.
No, we waited a little bit.
Yeah, we did. Did y'all want to go back to the interstate or go that way?
Yeah.
I think
Why
it's
ask us
6
now?
o'clock. Yeah.
Just do
We're
whatever you.
afraid to say anything right now.
Yeah, we're just
Chances of running over a possum are
we're
a lot
just
greater.
scared. Yes,
On 90.
I'm just
saying.
frightened. Eric,
What's our
see,
rating?
Eric hasn't really experienced riding with Pirate, so he's starting to feel a little tingle in his jewels. The fear is creeping in.
Pirate hasn't had any Red Bulls
Red
yet
Bulls.
today, so
I don't know if that's a good thing
that
or a
was
bad
version.
thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't know which is
It gets
worse.
worse?
I don't really know. We thought keeping them off of would be good, but I don't know.
I was going to go in there.
It just seems to have
And I was
enraged
like,
him.
oh, wait. And
All right, well,
about that
we're
time I heard
trying to
the
get
door
home, so.
slam. Little lady.
We had a good time, but man, there was a ton of downtime.
Oh, my God.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I know we did like no car work. I did get the deck lid mounted. Come on, guys. But I'm not sure when I'm gonna work on it again. It's probably gonna be a couple days or sometime going into the week. We had a good time at drag week, or sick week, I should say. And it was really cool. Brett's out there taking care of business. Everybody, all the big guys got sunk on that first day. Their averages got jacked up. And Brett got down and laid a good number down. So also there's a guy, Ed Essener, I don't know how to say his name, NA guy, fixing to break into sixes, which is completely insane if you start looking back at what the actual quickest ET, besides him, the quickest ET in drag and drive history for NA is like a 772. Now he went 740s during Six Summer, which I thought was crazy. But this guy went 7.0s. He's going 709, 709, 707 in the 3 days of competition so far. That is completely insane. Plus making the drive and keeping the car together, keeping the motor alive. That is, I can't even imagine. That is well scienced out. Not taking nothing away from Brett. This guy's doing something that is literally just as amazing. So, and his car is like immaculate. If you see it at the Dragon Drive, it is immaculate. It's a piece of machinery. So, anyway, we had a great time. We met a couple of subscribers. That was really cool. I'm not one of those people that, you know, whatever. But, you know, hey, if you see us, you know, if you see us somewhere like that, you don't feel free to come by and say, you know, or say, hey, 50 Tussin, 50 Tussin. I mean, hey, what's up? You know, because, you know, but so again, I mean, it was cool. I got a Mountain Dew out of it too, which is freaking awesome. So, and we chatted for a while there was a bunch of downtime. Man, there's so much downtime. It was nuts. It ended up where everyone just got one run. If you're keeping up with it, you know all this. So anyway, we got our stuff to do. Had a great time at Drag Week. Met a couple fans of the channel, and that's cool. I guess the part of that that's cool to me is not that, oh, hey, they know me. It's that they like the channel. They like the stuff that goes on in the channel. It's entertainment to them or motivation, and that to me is cool. So not that, oh, hey, look, we actually laugh if someone sees me or says whatever. Pirate and them get a kick out of that. You know, they just rag me to death. Not to death, but they stay after me about it. Pirate calls me superstar all the time. That's what it's called, superstar. So, but they get a kick out of ragging me on it. But Eric, and speaking of that, hey, here's the pictures. Eric made a name for himself at Dragon. He was rubbing elbows with some real YouTubers. So check out these pictures right here. Yeah, look at that. Look at my boy going out there being somebody. I told him, I said, we go next year, you have to bring a bunch of donuts. People be looking for him. The Doughboy showing out. Anyway, so thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you. We wouldn't want to. We got to put this video so we can get some of the fat stacks of YouTube money that Michael, Pirate, and them think that but especially that. No, we went to Sick Week, man. Let's wear sunglasses. Thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Buddy Videos on This Here Man's YouTube. 1 year, 5-speed, push rod, high-rise intake, 5.0 Lincoln Town Cars. 4 drag vans, proud owner, decorator, painter, bartender, masseuse, lap dancer, club pig boost. That costs extra, honestly. And as always, fighting a good fight against the zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next doggone video.